Trading BTC on biboxeurope can turn profitable than others. The cryptocurrency market has been exhibiting bearish sentiments for a while now, except for brief moments when the bulls come out to play. In this scenario, the crypto trading community is at its wits' end trying to figure out the best way to create profitable trades. biboxeurope, a cryptocurrency exchange that is headquartered in Switzerland, is currently presenting itself as an attractive playground to get better returns than other alternatives. Since its inception few months ago, biboxeurope has gained a strong community following, starting with the initial sign-ups to various suggestions and constant feedbacks that have allowed the platform to add new features to suit its users' requirements. As a gesture of goodwill and an expression of gratitude towards the community for its support and trust, biboxeurope is offering a 1% profit to its users selling Bitcoin on the platform. Starting November 11, 9 a.m. London time, biboxeurope users can opt to sell their Bitcoin holdings against EUR or CHF at 1% above the actual market price. The program will be live for a duration of 15 days, to end on November 25, 9 a.m. London time. During this timeframe, biboxeurope users can make the best out of their Bitcoin holdings by gaining an additional 1% on each trade. However, it is to be noted that the offer is applicable only for BTC, EUR and BTC, CHF pairs. To give a background of biboxeurope, it is a digital assets platform which was launched exclusively to cater to the European cryptocurrency community. biboxeurope is a fully regulated cryptocurrency platform with all relevant licenses in place to offer cryptocurrency-related services to the customers in Europe. The platform has built strong banking relations within the continent and also boasts of having raised investment against equity from a world top 10 bank. Those wanting to explore and take advantage of the Bitcoin price difference existing between biboxeurope and other exchanges can register on the platform by following simple steps. Being a licensed exchange, the users will have to abide by the simplified KYC and AML process in place and start trading. Apart from a difference in BTC market price, users on biboxeurope can also claim additional benefits in the form of crypto Insta-Buy feature to purchase cryptocurrencies using leading credit cards at a much less rate than competitors. There are plenty of new features that are being introduced by biboxeurope on a regular basis, all designed and launched based on the inputs and suggestions received from its user base. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.